Good morning guys, I trust all is well in your world. Just going to do a little bit of exploring of this beautiful hotel here, then I'm going to go check out the swimming pool. Got myself a coffee as well. It's been a while since I've had a swim. I think the last time I swam was in the Baltic Sea. Look at this place. Seems to be a bit of a waterfall over there. Good little swim, great way to start the day. For those of you who are new here, my name is Piers Hampton and I'm exploring our world, living in abundance and having fun every single day. Right. I checked on Beanhunter to see if there's any specialty cafes here in Vegas. There's a few. Just come to check this one out here. So, Mothership Coffee. Just had a really good chat with the guys here, super friendly. Just got like a bakery selection. I've got a nice little quiche coming. Their coffee though, like, they know what they're talking about. They've got a good setup. I got myself a little Yoga Chef Ethiopian long black here. And it tastes wonderful. It's been a few days since I've had a good coffee. I think the last one was maybe in Alchemy Collective in Berkeley. To complement my coffee, I have this spinach, feta, and sun-dried tomato quiche. We're on our way to the Hoover Dam. We're in Boulder City. It's the city that was created for all the workers who built the Hoover Dam. As you can see behind me, you've got Lake Mead, which is the result of the damming process. So we're about to cross the actual Hoover Dam. We've just arrived in Arizona out of Nevada. Just about to take a little walk down to the Hoover Dam and cross it. To show you, we parked on this side, so I'm in the state of Arizona, the Grand Canyon state. And then as we walk across the dam itself, we move over back into Nevada. Just before we get to the dam itself, this here is called the Arizona Spillway. Basically what it is, if the dam does get too high on its water level, before the water flows over the dam itself, it will actually spill over into this spillway here and then head down this pipe down back into the Colorado River. It's only ever happened once that it's actually done that, it's spilled over. You can see the white line on the rock over there where the water level was. Amazing feat of engineering here. So this side here leads down back to the Colorado River. You see the bridge that we crossed before. Down here you've got the hydroelectric plants. They give power to like parts of Arizona, LA. A massive drop. Look at that drop. So the Colorado River, this one here. I'm just gonna have a taste of it, see what it tastes like. It's pretty good. Refreshing. Amazing statue. All of the zodiac signs are here. Sagittarius means Gemini. Gemini, that's my sun sign. Aries, that's my rising sign. Leo just here, it's my moon sign. And now we come to the other side of the dam where we've got Lake Mead, which is named after the creator of this dam itself. And it is a spectacular structure. You can probably see that the water is quite low. It's because a lot of the states of America now are in drought. All of this water comes from snowmelt further up north. Well, that was an amazing little visit to the Hoover Dam. I'm gonna remember this, like, amazing thing to see. I definitely recommend it. Just grabbing a couple of things from Whole Foods for dinner. Look at this sunset. You see the moon up there? Guys, thank you so much for the continued support. I really appreciate it. Please feel free to give this vlog a huge thumbs up and to subscribe if you aren't already. But for now, guys, so much love. Peace.